So hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make a start screen, like a start menu. So you can customize it however you want, except you must have, this is just going to show you what it looks like when you're in the game, and then when you click it, it goes away, and then you can play the game, whatever the game is, except you need a frame, which you're obviously going to have. So what I did was I made a screen GUI, and I named it start menu since it was a start menu, and then I inserted a frame, which is like the thing like you see basically, and then I inserted a text button, then I inserted a script, and I'll show you the script right now. And the script is button equals script.Parent, window equals script.Parent.Parent.Parent, function onClicked GUI, window remove, and script.Parent.Mouse button one click connect onClicked. So that will be in the description, so you can copy and paste it into your thing. And that would be pretty much it, except this, yep, that would be it. Except that you can edit it how you want. Like you could add text. Like I'll show you how to do that. So you insert an object, and then you do and then this is how I got the text button. Except I'm going to insert a text label, and then you could do like a welcome to my game thing. So it'll be like. And then you could make the font bigger. Like it won't mess with the script one bit. And you could also change the color of this. I'm just looking for the background color. Oh, background color. Oh, not right there. I wanted to do the color I copied and pasted. Oh, not that. Nope, not that. Except you can change the color of this like to whatever you want. So like if you wanted something like alright. So like it doesn't really matter. Like you can do like whatever you want. You just have to have a button and have to have the script I showed you. And you didn't have to do like the sci-fi text thing for the start button. Well, there you have it. Bye.